Hi, I'm the founder and CEO of DocPlanner. So we're a marketplace for patients searching for doctors. OK, so what are we doing? We are solving a very common problem for patients and doctors. Right? When patients want to find a new doctor, they want to find the best one, the one that is not far away from them, and the one that is available when they need this. Nothing new. We are not discovering any new use case. We're just making it easier for patients to make it, right? To book a visit. It's very similar to Booking.com or the Delivery Hero or other marketplaces from the space. You're just making more convenient old use case. Free for patients, accessible 24 hours per day, multi-platform. It's easy. OK. On the doctor side, we are delivering customers. Super easy, again. And we decrease the no-show rate. And this part is super important because depending on different sources, between 20 and 40% of patients who booked a visit never show up. So these slots are wasted forever. So we are trying to make it super efficient for them and optimize this process. We are also optimizing the work for them. So each doctor gets from us the unique phone number, and we are handling all the phone calls coming from patients to doctors, so they can be focused on treating patients. Super easy, again. And we are giving them, obviously, we are giving them the software for managing their patients. OK, so how are we doing? Currently, the marketplace has 7 million unique users monthly, mostly patients, like 99% of them are patients. They already posted something like 1 million doctor reviews. Actually, it was 1.1 yesterday, so it's growing very fast. On the doctor side, we have 7,000 active customers, and they, on average, they pay us $50 monthly. And last month, we booked for them 130,000 patients. So we delivered them 130,000 patients. And the team consists of 150 people. OK, this is our path to get on to our current numbers. And this graph shows monthly number of bookings that we are delivering to our doctors. So 130,000 bookings currently, and we are growing 400% year over year. The important thing here is that in most of our countries, in most of our markets, we don't spend any money on marketing or very little money on marketing. So most of this comes from viral marketing or SEO. OK, we're the market leader in Poland, Turkey, Czech Republic, and Hungary. We are doing operations in other markets, but I fundamentally believe that it doesn't matter if you're the second, third, fourth player in the market. Right? You have to be the first one. If you're not the first one, there is no you, right? Because the nature of this marketplace is that doctors, it's very important, doctors don't want to use two providers. They want to stick to the first one, that's it, right? And on the patient side, they prefer to use the provider that has the biggest number of doctors. So there will be no second, third player. So we are strong in Russia, we are strong in Indonesia and some of the countries in Latin America, but until we are the market leader there, I'm not listing them here. OK? This is a kind of proof for that. So these are the charts describing and comparing our traffic in terms of patients between DocPlanner and all competitors combined in our markets that we're the market leader, like Poland, Turkey, Czech Republic, Hungary. So when we were starting, we were very similar in size to our competitors, right? But along the way, when we started to grow, they started to decrease in terms of traffic, and it was a constant situation. They were decreasing, we were increasing, and it's the same. So basically, they don't exist now, right? And I believe it's going to be the same in most of the markets, that one player will start growing rapidly. OK, because traffic is so crucial here, the majority of our time we are dedicating to finding effective channels for patient acquisition. Right? I believe that if you don't deliver, the doctor will be not engaged. And if you do not engage, the quality of service that we'll be providing to patients, in the end, will be super poor. So you have to deliver. You have to deliver 3, 4, 5 patients within the first month or first 2 months. Otherwise, the doctor will be not working with you in the end. This is the table showing the number of visitors from SimilarWeb. So these are not the real exact values. They are estimated, and I believe they are lower by 30–40% in most of the cases than the real values. But it's very good for the comparison purposes. So we're the #1 in traffic in the world currently, ahead of players like American ZocDoc, Spanish Doctoralia, or Germany Amida, because we are so focused in delivering patients, right? It's a goal #1 for us. Once we are sure that we are #1 in delivering patients in most of the countries in Europe and other countries, then we'll start thinking about optimizing the business and other stuff. Okay, monetization model, super easy, right? We charge every doctor flat fee on a monthly basis, plus small commission per every patient that we are delivering to them. Because we are delivering a lot of patients to our doctors, the churn rate is minimal, so we are not losing our customers. Customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, so unit economics are healthy. We are not optimizing them super heavily. We're just focused on delivering traffic to them, but still, they are super healthy. Lifetime value is 10 times our customer acquisition cost. Okay, the market is huge, right? So the healthcare market, the market of medical consultations is 4 or 5 times bigger than the hotel market, right? And the penetration is close to 0, right? So it has not even started to grow in terms of numbers. An important thing is that there is a reason for this situation. The healthcare market is highly regulated. It's a not homogeneous market. So it's not like if we won first market, it's going to help us in winning second, third, and the fourth market. We have to win country by country. And in most of the cases, it's owned by old-fashioned software companies that are sometimes difficult partners to cooperate with. What I'm saying is that it's difficult, but it's doable, but it takes time. It's a healthcare market. Usually it takes a little bit more time to eventually win the market than in other sectors. Okay, so where are we heading? As I said, currently we have 7,000 active customers. We're delivering them 130,000 bookings. We're the market leader in 4 countries. In 4 or 5 years, we want to cross 50,000 doctors, 1.5 million bookings. We want to be delivering them on a monthly basis, and at least to become at least market leader in 8 countries. And obviously, when we entering new countries, our market share, our market size will be increasing. And in the end, if we reach to 5% of the market share, we'll be super happy. In terms of revenues, the goal is to cross $100 million in commission revenue in 5 years. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or you would like to learn a little bit more about DocPlanner, I'll be here and today and tomorrow, so just approach me and ask. Thank you.